Hello students, in above class we have learnt about whole numbers and integers. 1, 2, 3 etc. are whole numbers, that is positive integers. -1, -2, -3 etc. are called negative integers. The number 0 is simply an integer. It is neither positive nor negative. Now in this chapter we will learn more about integers. We know how to represent integers on a number line. This is the number line. Here is the point 0. Positive integers on the right of 0 and on the left side here is the negative integers. Right. Arrange these integers 7, -5, 4, 0 and -4. Arrange these integers in ascending order and then mark them on the number line. So first we will arrange these integers in ascending order. So first -5 is the smaller number, then -4, 0, 4 and 5. Now we will represent these numbers, these integers on a number line. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is the first integer -5. Then -4 is the second, 0, then 4 is the and 5. Here we have represented this number on the number line. On a number line, when we have addition, if we want to do addition of two positive integers, that is 3 plus 4. If you want to add these positive integers, here both the numbers are positive integers, then move to the right. For example, 3 plus 4. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to add these two positive integers, then move to the right from first integer. Here the first integer is 3. So move 4 steps right side of 3. So here first, second, third and fourth. So the answer is 7. Now if you want to add negative integer, that is for example 5 plus minus 2. If you want to add negative integer, then move to the left side of the first integer. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is the first integer 5. Move 2 steps left from 5. First, second. So the answer is 3. If you want to subtract positive integer, that is 5 minus 2. If you want to subtract 5 plus 2, 5 minus 2. Here 2 is positive integer. If you want to subtract positive integer, we move to the left from first integer. So move 2 steps left from first integer 5. Here the answer is 3. If you want to subtract negative integer, then move to the right. 5 minus 2. Here the integer is negative. You want to subtract negative integer. So move to the right from first integer. First, second. So the answer is 7. Once again, if you want to add positive integer, then move to the right. If you want to add negative integer, then move left side. If you want to subtract positive integer, then move to left. And if you want to subtract negative integer, then move to the right. Now we will do addition and subtraction without number line. For example, when two positive integers are added, we get positive integer. For example, 56 plus 73. Here both the integers are positive. So when two positive integers are added, we get positive integer. Second, when two negative integers are added, for example, minus 56 plus minus 73. Here both the integers are negative. So when two negative integers are added, we get negative integer. So the answer is minus 129. When one positive and one negative integers are added, for example, minus 56 plus 73. Here one is negative negative integer and the second is positive integer. So when one positive and one negative integers are added, we take their difference and place the sign of the bigger integer. First we take their difference. The difference is 17. And place the sign of the bigger integer. Which is the bigger integer? Here ignore the sign of both the integers. Ignore this sign. Here 73 and 56. Which is the bigger integer, 73 or 56? 73. And which sign is before 73? Here the 73 is positive integer. So your answer will be positive. Suppose minus 113 plus 82. Here one positive and one negative integer. So we take their difference. The difference is 31. But which is the bigger integer? Bigger integer is 113 and its sign is minus. So here the sign will be minus. So minus 113 plus 82 is equal to minus 31. One more example, 16 plus minus 23. One positive and one negative integer. So take the difference. The difference is 7. Now which is the bigger integer without sign? 16 or 23? 23 is the bigger integer. Here ignore the sign of the integer. So 23 is the bigger integer and the sign is here minus. So your answer is minus 7. Now for subtraction. We add, for example, 56 minus 73. For subtraction, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. Suppose here 56 minus 73. So we write 56 as it is, put the sign of plus, and what is the additive inverse of minus of 73? What is the here additive inverse of 73 is minus 73. So 56 plus minus 73. Once again, for subtraction, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other number. So 56 minus 73 is equal to 56 plus, what is the additive inverse of 73? Minus 73. So 56 plus minus 73. Here 56 is the positive integer and this is the negative integer. So their addition is the difference of these two number. So we write the difference is 17, and we have seen above we will put the sign of bigger integer. So the sign is minus. Second, 56 minus 73. Here once again we are going to do subtraction. So first, what will you do? Put the sign of plus here instead of minus. And what is the additive inverse of minus 73? The additive inverse of minus 73 is plus 73. So here both the integers are plus, positive. So two positive integers are added, then we get positive integer. So the answer is 129. Third, minus 56 minus 73. Here minus 56 as it is, put the sign of plus here. And what is the additive inverse of 73? The additive inverse of 73 is minus 73. So here both the integers are negative. If both the integers are negative, then we will do addition and put the sign of minus. So the answer is minus 129. As we have seen above. So by these rules we can do addition and subtraction without number line.